how to make your pictures this into this. Open Play Store or app.store, search copy K. Download and open it. Click it. Choose any image you want. Fine, Nokia. Click it. Click nag. Black screen recording. 'Cause naka-pro yung field. But once na-select mo you can download it for free. You need to watch an ad. After that, naka-save yan. Same process sa next picture. Thank you for watching.